Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm super excited. This is the new Osmo Mobile 4. We're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Oh yes. The package is a little bit different. It has this square format. We were used to, other types of boxes, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So look at the box here. Nice box. Let's open this. Oh, look at this. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, nice. We'll get into this in a sec. Let's see what this create magnetic moments. I don't know what this means right now. I have an idea though. Okay, look at this. Alignment guide and probably some paper stuff. Yeah, some paper stuff. Now let's get to what's really important. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? We have a nice tripod and a nice cable. And here it is. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. It's folded, it's nice. Woo! I can't really wait to test this. So I'm gonna put everything beautiful now so that you can see what's actually inside the box. This was the unboxing, a very short video. By the time you're watching this, we have probably done already the full in-depth review of the new Osmo Mobile 4, so you may want to check it out. The link is in the description. The link is in the description. And of course, no more talking. Always remember to keep calm and talk UAV. La 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 la. Oh. Oh. La 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 la.